Is there anything else that you think that the public should know? Is there anything that somebody who faces this diagnosis should know?
Yes, absolutely. I mean, I think that one thing to keep in mind is that it is a relatively rare disorder, but there is information, good quality information available, and I think that's part of the coping process is learning what you might expect and learning to understand the symptoms a patient is experiencing and their family is witnessing. So one recommendation I would make is to peruse different national organization websites. One that I'm thinking of in particular is the Association for Frontal Neurodegeneration. So if you Google that, you would go to their website, and they have both information about the disease process, clinical trials that are, working on novel treatment approaches, as well as support. So that's one part I wanted to touch on. Patients and families can really benefit from a lot of support throughout, from diagnosis onwards. And that can look like different support groups in the community that are for patients with this particular disorder or for their caregivers, as well as just individual support from a mental health provider, because, they are dealing with a lot of changes, and coping with those doesn't have to be done on their own.